We are track record.
We are never finished. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing?
What's up, you guys? Welcome.
Kevin,
oh, sorry.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are on a mission.
Going to the 99-cent store. Actually, I'm gonna be picking up some new car parts today.
Yeah, so since Kevin ripped his lip off, we're gonna be getting what I like to call the 99-cent performance lip, okay? Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some garden border, and we're gonna basically staple that, zip tie it to Kevin's front bumper.
Yeah.
Just kidding. That's a stupid idea.
Yeah.
We're here because for some reason...
Wait.
We'll make you. Check out this sick...
No, it's an FRS. It's an FRS. Move along. It's an FRS. Oh, right here.
Thank you.
Kevin and I are just gonna take a load off, have a glass of wine, and just chill.
Okay, so we are here in the location. Jordan's setting up that other shot right there. So basically, what we're gonna be doing today is something a little bit different, a little bit fun. We're gonna be trying to break this glass, or one of these glasses, with just the noise from my exhaust.
Exactly. It's a huge trend right now, and I've only seen it being done by Mustangs and muscle cars. I haven't really seen a WRX do it yet, so I figured...
Definitely not successfully.
Let's try. It's big. You guys might like it. You guys definitely liked all the flybys we do with the car, so why don't we try to break the glass with Kevin's exhaust.
We're going to break this glass, whatever it takes, with that exhaust. I have my suspicions and doubts, but these are the best glasses that we can find at the 99-cent store for this purpose. So let's try this. You ready, Jordan? So we're gonna find a new location because that location wasn't really the best. There was some houses nearby and we didn't want to, I mean, everybody should be up, it's 11 a.m. but so we're gonna find a little bit better of a location where we're gonna be a little bit louder. All right, so we found a better spot. There's no residential homes out here. We're facing a brick wall, so that should be fine. So we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try a couple different methods. Like I said, we're going to break this glass. Honestly, I think this works better with one single exit because the force is being distributed across 4 outlets. So
that's some real scientific knowledge right there. You just dropped, Kevin.
Just dropped some hardcore science. So we're at a 25% capacity.
What are you, an engineer, dude?
So we're gonna try this again. We'll try 2 different methods, and then we got a few things up our sleeves to try and make this work. Okay, I'm a little bit more comfortable with that. You're pushing the glass. You were pushing it away. No, but it's like, I can feel it. I feel like it's close. But let me try something else. Nothing, huh? Alright. It's not working. That's okay. Okay, so we put a couple small scratches in the side, just like very small ones, with this rock right here. So put a couple small scratches in it, and I faced those scratches towards the exhaust. So we'll see if that helps. Look, like I said, we may be cheating here, but we're just trying to get this to work. So, because I honestly don't think it's gonna work with just my exhaust. It's not nearly loud enough. I'm not putting out any pops or anything, so. This isn't looking like it's gonna work. I think we'll call it a fail. It's not gonna work with just my exhaust in the glass. We even tried putting a scratch in it. That didn't work. So now we're just trying anything. We're putting water in it. So maybe that'll help carry the vibrations through. I don't know. We have no idea what we're doing at this point.
I heard this really good point that if we were to get this car on a dyno and we could put the wine glass behind the exhaust then and get Kevin to shoot potential flames, that might break it. But
that's what I'm saying. We need
a all-wheel drive dyno.
That's what I'm saying. We need to strap Jordan to the back of the car or the wine glass, either one, to the back of the car, and then do some pulls, and then that might work. Probably not a good idea though. I just put a bunch of stuff under and I'm just pressing the glass up against the bottom of the exhaust. So basically with this method, we're just working with vibration and not sound. So I don't know, Jordan. What are we doing with our lives?
I don't know, dude. Do it.
I guess I mean, I know you're supposed to use crystal, but we didn't really have that.
Wait, we're supposed to use crystal?
Yeah.
Kevin.
We're not ending this video without this glass breaking. I am not leaving this deserted cul-de-sac. We should be using crystal, apparently. Anyways, we're breaking this glass. Whatever takes necessary, this will work. All right, you ready? Yes! Yes! So, this was a fail. This video was a fail, but I'm happy because we got the glass to break. So that's all I wanted. I'm proud of my car. It did a good job. Didn't do the right job, but in the end, I said we would get this to break. So Jordan, give me a hand. Gonna need that. It was kind of a fail, but hey, you know, I just wanted this to break, and we got it to break, so I'm happy. The inner child in me is happy. So I think we can finally close out this video after all this pain and suffering. We've tortured this glass, and it's finally just broken and cracked.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this successful failure of a video. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like or dislike if you didn't like it.
Yeah, well, we're gonna pick up the glass, don't worry about that. If you guys enjoyed this one, if it does well, we'll have a follow-up.
If we can get this video to another, we got 100 last time. We can get this to 150 likes this time.
Okay.
If we can get 150 likes, we'll do another one with both cars and the right material.
We'll see who can break it.
Yeah.
All right, well, we are never finished.
And we'll catch you in the next one.